Sad news. Yoruba actor Ibrahim Yekini, aka ITELE, addresses health challenges and family issues. What we do on this channel is to give updates about Nollywood actors and actresses alone. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more news content along the line. Veteran Yoruba actor Ibrahim Yekini, popularly known as ITELE, recently shared details about his ongoing health struggles, revealing that he has been dealing with a condition that has necessitated frequent hospital visits. While the exact nature of his illness remains undisclosed, ITELE emphasized that it has significantly impacted his personal life and professional responsibilities. In a heartfelt statement, the actor expressed gratitude to fans and colleagues who have reached out with concern and support. He also took the opportunity to address recent misunderstandings and controversies, particularly those involving his family. ITELE explained that his health issues had contributed to feelings of frustration, which may have affected his behavior and public interactions. The actor's candid admission follows criticism he faced earlier this year regarding his relationship with his children. ITELE acknowledged the challenges and expressed regret over any actions that may have been misconstrued. He promised to prioritize his family and work towards healing and rebuilding trust. Fans and fellow actors have rallied around him, offering prayers and encouragement for his recovery. Despite the challenges, ITELE remains committed to his craft and looks forward to resuming work once his health improves. Supporters are encouraged to continue sending their well wishes as the actor navigates this difficult time. Pray for ITELE please, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.